Looking for the best solar panels? They provide clean, cost-effective energy, lower electricity bills, and help reduce your carbon footprint. Starting at number 1, Jackery SolarSaga 100W solar panel. Jackery SolarSaga 100W portable solar panel is a lightweight, foldable solar charger that delivers up to 100 W of clean solar energy for Jackery Explorer power stations and compatible devices. It uses high-efficiency monocrystalline cells for strong energy conversion and comes with adjustable kickstands and a carry handle for quick setup anywhere outdoors. The panel also includes USB-A and USB-C output ports for direct device charging, and it's built to be durable and weather-resistant for camping, RV trips, and emergency use. Number 2, Renogy 100 watts 12V solar panel. Renogy 100 watts 12V solar panel starter kit is a complete basic solar power solution, featuring a 100W high-efficiency monocrystalline panel and all the accessories you need for setup, including a 30A PWM charge controller, adapter and tray cables, and Z-brackets. It's designed for RV, camper, and off-grid applications, producing around 500 WH of energy per day and allowing expansion up to 400 W with additional panels. Durable construction and multiple protections make it ideal for outdoor reliable solar use. Number 3, GRECELL Boulder 100 Briefcase. GRECELL Boulder 100 Briefcase is a 100W foldable solar panel made of durable monocrystalline cells designed for portable use with GRECELL power stations like the Yeti and Sherpa series. It features tempered glass and an aluminum frame with hinge-style briefcase folding, a built-in kickstand, and a canvas carrying bag for easy setup and transport. Ideal for camping, off-grid power, and emergency charging, it delivers reliable solar energy wherever you go. Number 4, Eco-worthy 400W solar panels. Eco-worthy 400W solar panels include 4 100W high-efficiency monocrystalline solar modules designed for off-grid power systems like home backup, RVs, boats, camping, farms, and 12V24V battery charging. Featuring corrosion-resistant aluminum frames, low iron tempered glass, and IP-rated junction boxes, they're built to withstand weather and deliver strong performance, even in low light. The kit is easy to install with pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connectors, and can be expanded or integrated into larger systems. Its typical output reaches around 1.6 kW per day under strong sunlight. 4A. Number 5, GRECELL 200 portable solar panel. GRECELL 200 portable solar panel is a high-efficiency, up to 23.5% foldable monocrystalline solar charger designed for outdoor use with most portable power stations, Jackery, EcoFlow, Bluetti, Anchor, etc., and 12V batteries. It features IP65 waterproof protection, 4 adjustable kickstands, and a compact foldable design with a carry handle for easy setup and transport on camping, RV, and off-grid trips. Durable ETFE lamination and weather-resistant materials help it withstand outdoor conditions while delivering reliable solar power wherever you go.